In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and unsubscribe from email subscriptions in Gmail. If your inbox feels a little too crowded with newsletters, promotional emails, and updates you no longer read, Gmail has a simple, built-in feature that can help you clean things up quickly. Instead of searching through individual emails one by one, you can use the subscription management section to see a list of mailing lists connected to your account and unsubscribe from the ones you no longer want. To get started, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet, or go to the Gmail website if you're using a computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one email account. This will help you manage the subscriptions for the inbox you actually want to clean up. Once Gmail is open, look for the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines usually found in the top corner of the screen in the mobile app. On the website, the layout may look slightly different depending on your settings, but the menu area will still give you access to additional options and tools inside Gmail. From that menu, select Manage Subscriptions. This section is designed to help you review the mailing lists and recurring senders that appear in your inbox. Gmail gathers these into one place so you can manage them more efficiently, which is especially helpful if you've signed up for a lot of newsletters or store updates over time. Now take a moment to review the list of active mailing lists shown on the screen. You'll typically see the names of senders or organizations that regularly email you. As you go through the list, think about which ones are still useful and which ones are just adding unnecessary clutter. Next to each sender, you'll see an unsubscribe option. Click unsubscribe next to any sender you no longer wish to follow. Gmail will process the request and, in many cases, help stop future emails from that mailing list. Keep in mind that some unsubscribes may take a little time to fully take effect, so you might still receive a few messages shortly after making the change. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to do this regularly so your inbox stays organized and easier to manage. Removing unwanted subscriptions can make important emails easier to spot and reduce distractions throughout the day. That's all it takes to manage subscriptions directly in Gmail and start keeping your inbox much cleaner.